Hi everyone, welcome to this session. My name is Ishwarya and I am a quantitative aptitude and LRDI trainer at Unacademy. Alright, so today we are going to discuss one mathemagic hack of the day. Alright, so in this series I'll be discussing one concept of mathematics, one concept of maths that will help you to improve your calculations. Alright, so today we are going to discuss how to calculate a square of any two-digit number. Alright, let's begin. But before we start, I'll actually tell you about the benefits of taking the Plus subscription. So if you go for the Plus subscription, you get all these benefits. You have access to the classes from top educators of India, and all the sessions that happen on the platform are live sessions. Even if you miss any session, you get recorded video of that lecture so that you can refer to it for later. Okay. Now every fourth session is a doubt solving session, so you will have enough number of doubt solving sessions also to get all your doubts clarified. You will also have access to the daily practice sectional tests that happen on the platform. Full length practice mock tests are also there on the platform, so you will have access to this as well, and these are very crucial for your preparation. Okay, also you will be able to download the PDFs of each and every lecture that happen on the platform. Alright, now this is an offer going on for the IP Math subscription. It is valid only till 14th of July. So if you take the subscription for a year, you get 2 months of subscription free, and if you take it for 2 years, you get 3 months of subscription free. Alright, so guys, please go for it using my code AAISH10. Alright, okay. Now, let's see how can you calculate the square of any two-digit number. Okay, so you can calculate the square of any two-digit number in these simple 4 steps. If you follow these 4 steps, you will get the result. Okay, let's see. So first step is to calculate the squares of its digits and write the squares side by side. What do I mean by this? Let us take a two-digit number and verify this. Okay, let us try to understand using it. So let us take our number 27. Let us try to find the square of 27. Okay. Now what is the square of 27? For that, let us do step 1. Square of 2 is 4. Square of 7 is 49. Now I have to write these squares side by side. So I write 4 and 49. Okay. What is step 2? Write 0 below the last digit written. Now the last digit I have written is 9. So I'll write a 0 beneath it, below it. Okay. Then step 3. Find the product of digits of the number and double it. Okay. So what is the product of digits of the number? The number is 27. So it is 2 into 7, that is 14. Now I have to double this product. Means 14 into 2 gives me 28. Now what is step 4? Add the result of step 3 to the number written. So let's see how will you write this 20. Where will you write this 28? This 28 is written here. Okay. Now just add the number. What do you have? 9. 8 plus 4 gives 12, and this is 7. So therefore we got it. The square of 27 is equal to 729. You can even verify this result using calculator. Alright, such an easy method. Okay, so now using this method, you can find the square of any two-digit number. Alright, so if you're doing it for the first time, you might feel that this will take a lot of time, right? But if you understand this method and practice at least 10 squares using this, you will be able to calculate the square of any two-digit number within 30 seconds. Okay, alright. Let us practice this with some other numbers. Let's see if this is valid for other numbers or not. Now the number here is 48 square. Let us find the square of 48. So for that, calculate 4 square, which is 16. What is 8 square? That is 64. Write both the squares like this. 16 and 64 side by side. Step 2. Write a 0 beneath it. Step 3. Find the product of digits. What is the product of digits? 4 into 8, 32. Double the product, 64. Right? Write 64 here and add it. What do you have? 42304. Right? So what is the square of 48? This is equal to 2304. Alright? Okay. Let us take a different number. 94 square. What is 94 square? What is the square of 9? It is 81. What is the square of 4? It is 16. Write both these squares side by side. I have 81 and 16. Okay. Now, next step. Write 0 below the last digit. Then what is the next step? Multiply the digits of the number and double the product. 36 plus 36 gives me 72. So write 72 here and add it. What do you have? 6, 3, 8, 8. So what is the square of 94? It is 8836. Alright, I hope it is clear, everyone. Now let us do it for 29. Okay, so let us find the square of 29. What is 2 square? 4. What is 9 square? 81. Now I am going to write these squares side by side. 481. Second step, write 0 below the last digit. Now multiply the digits of the number. 2 and 9 gives me 18. Now double this product also. 36. Now I am going to write this 36 here and add. So you have 1. 8 plus 6 is 14 and 8. So what is the value of 29 square? It is 841. Easy, right? So you can calculate a square of any 2-digit number using this method. Okay. So now guys, I suggest you to please take 2-digit numbers, take multiple 2-digit numbers, find their squares using this method and verify your answers. Okay. Do this exercise for at least 25 numbers. Okay. You will be able to do all the calculations for finding the square of 2-digit numbers within 30 seconds. Okay. All right. Now, what is the prerequisite for solving this problem? Okay, solving such type of problems using this method. So for that, you just need to know the square of digits. Okay. Okay. So before you start solving this, please note that you know all the squares from 1 to 9. Okay. I am sure that you guys know about it. And if you know this, you will be able to calculate the squares in just 30 seconds. All right. Okay then. So all those students who haven't taken the IP Math Plus subscription yet, please take it guys for 2 years or 1 year. The price for 2 years is 30,000 and the price for 12 months is 20,000. And you can use my code AAISH10 to get 10% off the entire course fee. All right. Okay. Now, new batch, the new crash course, 30-day crash course is going to start from 21st of July. Okay, I'll be taking classes of higher mathematics in this. So if you're planning for any exam of 2021, please go for the subscription using my code so that you can attend this crash course with us. Okay. Now, new batch for 1 year going to start from 17th of July. Please make sure that you enroll yourself for this batch and start your preparations with us. Okay. Now, so guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe to our channel on YouTube, Crack Management Exams. I take classes at 9 p.m. every day on this channel for IP Math students for quants, okay, and higher mathematics. Also, you can join me on Telegram. The name of my Telegram channel is Unacademy_Aishwarya-Cat and IP Math. There are no spaces in between, so you can join me here. All right. Also guys, please like and share this video with your friends who are preparing for quants, who are preparing for IP Math, CAT, or for any exam which has quantitative aptitude in it. I'm sure this will definitely help. Okay, so guys, please practice finding squares of 2-digit numbers. I'm sure this will be very helpful for you in your quant questions. Thank you.